So here's how to add a subscribe button to your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix site. Once you are logged into your Wix site, then here you have to simply go to your editing site option. Once you are there, now here you have to simply click on the add elements option from the left menu, and after that you have to click on the contacts and forms option. Once you click on it, now this menu will appear. Then from this menu you have to simply click on the subscribe option, and once you click on it, now these buttons will appear. From here you have to select a button and drag and drop to your site. Once I have selected the button and added to my site, now I will click on the form settings option at the top of it. After that, I will add the things that I want from my subscribers. Here you will also be able to view these options at the top. You have to simply click on these options to make changes on this icon. After making all the required changes on your button, you have to simply click on the save option at the top. So that's how to add subscribe button to your Wix website.